session of IIT mains. Here I am going to discuss some questions that appeared in IIT mains in chemistry part. In chemistry part, it seems the questions appeared are very easy and anybody can do. We are going to do 10 questions in 10 minutes. Come on. Very surprisingly, this particular question just now I discussed it 2 hours back in classroom. Shanmukh has sent me these questions. Some of them he gave me an idea that this is the way the paper looked. Thank you, Shanmukh. Here we have, what is the oxidation state and the shape of this particular complex ion? Obviously, this Cl is a weak field ligand and Na plus 2 is the oxidation state and it is a tetrahedral complex. The reason that Cl minus is identified as a weak field ligand by nickel plus 2. The same question, if they ask for what is the shape of tetracyanonucleate, you know that is square planar because cyanide is a strong field ligand. Mind you, the ligand strength is decided by this metal ion. If the metal ion is belonging to 4th period or 5th period like platinum, palladium, Cl minus will be identified as a strong field ligand. In that case, shape will be square planar, hybridization would be dsp2. This is the easiest case, tetrachloronucleate, tetrahedral, sp3 hybridization, nickel is plus 2. Easy. Next question is isoelectronic series. Anybody can see that N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus, Na plus, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3. All these dirty fellows have same number of 10 electrons. They are said to belong to isoelectronic series. As you are moving from left to right, the size drastically decreases because positive ions are small. What exact question they ask, I don't know, but there is a question on isoelectronic series. Another stupidest question we can see, the order of electronegativity of halogens. Fluorine is greater than, chlorine is greater than, bromine is greater than iodine. There is nothing special in the order of electronegativity. But had they asked about electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity, Cl is higher. They did not ask electron affinity, simply they asked electronegativity. Notice there are discrepancies in electron affinity values, that is electron gain enthalpy, no discrepancy here. That is the easiest question we saw. Next, another silliest question I can think of, minus 2 molar NaCl aqua solutions and also 10 to the power minus 4 molar urea solution. They asked which fellow has. Phone నాకు వచ్చిందా అయితే డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. నీకు నిద్ర వచ్చేస్తాను. డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయిందా లేదా? నాకు ఫోన్ వచ్చిందా? ఎవడో చేశాడు. తీసి ఎలా వస్తున్నారు రికార్డింగ్ అవుతుందా ఇప్పుడు? నేను కనిపిస్తున్నానా? So, which fellow has higher boiling point? Obviously, the more concentrated the solution, the higher the boiling point. Therefore, in this 10 to the power minus 2 molar NaCl is most concentrated. This solution will have highest boiling point. And we see next question. Next question we got is very routine question. This is, I told 100 times, last 3 pages in amines are to be learned. You can definitely get a question. This is from second year portion, that is 12th class portion, amines. When nitrobenzene is reduced with tin and HCl, what you get? You get aniline. When aniline undergoes diazotization with NaNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees, what do you get? Benzene diazonium chloride. When this fellow reacts with cuprous chloride, what you will get? Chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene reacts with sodium in dry ether, that is Fittig reaction, you get biphenyl. They ask what is the end product. So obvious, so simple, so easy question, right? Next, we have next question. How many of the following molecules are linear? And this is very easy. They give SO2, BeCl2, I3 minus and azide ion and NO2 plus ion, NO2. How many are linear? All those AB2 type molecules with no lone pair of electrons on central atom, or AB2 with 3 lone pairs on central atom are linear. Obviously, these 4 are linear. Next question is, number of stereoisomers in this molecule they ask. Number of stereoisomers is equal to number of stereogenic centers, 2 to the power number of stereogenic centers. So that is obviously 4. Stereogenic center means here it is a stereogenic center, it is another chiral center. So you know the formula. Next question is, they gave 2 statements and asked the accuracy of the statements. Statement number 1 is CH3OCH2Cl undergoes SN1 reaction in protic solvent. Second thing is neopentyl chloride cannot easily undergo SN2 reaction. Obviously, it cannot easily undergo SN2 reaction because of the steric crowding and also possibility of rearrangement of carbocation. Statement 2 is right. Statement 1 is obviously right because your carbocation you get therein is stabilized by resonance. Therefore, definitely statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. You might have identified this. Ninth question which we can see here is, what is the de Broglie wavelength of third excited state electron of He plus? Just now I discussed this question with Ramya, with Jahnavi, so many students, just 2 hours back, exactly very same question I discussed. In third excited state means 4th level. Everybody knows that L lambda is equal to 2 pi r. Radius of any Bohr's orbit is given by 0.529 into n square by z. Now, if I substitute the value of r here and rearrange, lambda is equal to 2 pi r by n, which is equal to 2 into 3.14 into r value we take 0.529 into 4 square by here n into z. Z value of helium is 2. So if you simplify it, 2 gets cancelled, 4 power gets cancelled. Answer is 4 into 0.529 into 3.14. So you can work it out, right? 4 into 0.529 into 3.14. Always remember this relation. L lambda is equal to 2 pi r. From that, also you remember that radius of any nth orbit in any hydrogen-like system is given by 0.529 into n square by z. So the overall impression is this IIT-G main chemistry paper appears to be very easy, straightforward. Questions are asked directly from NCERT. Especially I noticed again the last 3 questions in NCERT book at the end of each chapter are really being focused. So I wish all the students all the best. I want them to know that if they asked last time about the order of electronegativity, next time they ask about the order of ionization energy. What is the correct order of ionization energy is to be remembered. That's very, very important. I have told the students how to remember super wind graph, how to work it out. I wish them all the best. Thank you.